This is Mark from Declassified Systems. So the shop has been, so I do apologize to all the inquiries, the clients waiting for their maintenance, and other clients that wanted to do a custom water cooling build, because the workshop has been closed for around 3 months, because I had to do some major repairs on the ceiling, the roof, and that includes my home, because the workshop and my home is in just one place. So yeah, we had this place, my mother had this place around 1986 or 84, I think, 1984. So this is very old. So I had to repair with help of one friend. So replace all the ceilings, the roof repairs, and I also included, after those repairs, I included also the renovation of the shop and my home. So that's why it took around 3 months to do it, because only 2 of us are working here. So I think I'm fit to work again. And also the workshop is done. It might be it was bigger than before, so I cut it in half to make room. Okay, because I needed to add another room in my home. So I'm just glad that it's all fixed and okay, and I can resume all the work that has been waiting. So really do appreciate those clients that waited, and now I can accept and resume. So this is the first build that I accepted a couple of days, or I think 12 days ago. So yeah, I unfortunately I could not do videos of it because I was so busy working on the house, the shop. I'm still working now, but it's just little things, and doing this build, because this is the first build since we closed the shop. So I'm just gonna do explain how the loop goes, and then replay how I filled the loop with coolant. So that's it. I'm sorry, but and I also minimize myself on editing long videos. So this is gonna be much simpler video. So bear with me. So okay, first, I don't know if you could see this clearly, but so it starts off always with a pump. So from the pump going to the CPU inlet, and then from the CPU inlet goes out to the GPU. It's the tube here, and then out again on the flow indicator. So the flow indicator is a really very important part of custom water cooling, because this tells you that the pump is running and fine. And if there's a fault in the pump or in the system, if this does not spin, don't use your PC. Troubleshoot with what's the fault. Okay, drain it, or check the pump or the power cables. It might be that sometimes. Okay, so continuing from the flow indicator going to the first radiator. I can't let you see it, but I'll just explain so you could. So from the flow indicator to the 360mm radiator on the top, and then from that out to another radiator in the back here, in the back of the reservoir and the fans. So the 2 radiators are connected, and then out again to go back to the reservoir inlet. So that's how the loop goes. And there's 3 intake fans here on the front, And I also modified the bracket on the Hyperion case because the client, we could not find the bracket for it, so I just modified and made a new one. That's why it took me a little bit longer to finish the build. So this is a simple one, but it looks very good. And what else? I did also put a vertical mount aluminum, so it would support. And also, lastly, the LED aluminum covers is very important for every build, top, bottom, and on the sides. So that's it. I hope you like the build. I will also, after the filling of the loop, I'll also post the pictures. So again, I do really apologize for the clients, and thank you all for the clients that we still waited, even though it took a long time. So yeah, thanks, and have a good day.